Good morning, kindergarten. Today is Friday. Woohoo! It's Friday. It's Friday, boys and girls, and I'm so excited. Today is our very first day of May. So today is May 1st. I'm super excited that we're finally to May. We have May and then 2 weeks in June left, and then it's summer break. Unfortunately, we don't get to come back to school for any of those days. I miss you. I hope you guys are having fun at home and continuing to do all your work and learning. I look forward to seeing you guys next week on Zoom again, and I'll let you know what we're going to be doing for next week on Monday. So make sure you tune in on Monday. Let's go ahead and start with our morning work. For morning work today, again, you're going to be working with addition and subtraction. So addition is when you take things and you put them together. Like, I'm your teacher and this is Maverick, my son, and we make two people. One person and one person, and we make two people. He wanted to be in a video. And then subtraction is when we take things away. So you're going to be working on both addition and subtraction today. You're also going to be drawing tally marks. Remember, that's 1, 2, 3, 4 lines down, and then 5 we slam across. Let's go ahead and look at our morning work together. Today for your morning work, you're going to be doing the same work that we've been doing all week long. So I'm going to let you show me how smart you are, and I'm not even going to give you any directions on this side of the paper. On the other side of your paper, let's go through these words so that you know what they are, so that those don't try to trick you. And then again, I think you're smart enough to do this paper all on your own. So we have a dragonfly, crayon, price, friends, and a broom. This picture is pointing to the bracelet she is wearing. And I hope we all know what animal this is. That's a frog. You're going to continue this page all on your own. Remember, you're going to draw a picture of what this sentence is saying. Good luck. I know you can do it. When we count in math, we know that we can count forwards and backwards. So when we count, we can go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We can also count backwards and go 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We can also count by tens forwards and backwards. It's a little bit trickier to count backwards by tens, but we can do it. So we've been practicing counting forwards by tens. Let's do that really quick, and then let's try counting backwards by 10 before we do our math paper today. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Okay, you ready for a challenge? Do you think you can do it? I think you can do it. We're going to start at 100 and we're going to count backwards by 10. 100, 90, 80, 70, 60, 50, 40, 30, 20, 10. Good job. It's tricky. It's not easy. We don't do it very often. But today for your math paper, we are going to be using those numbers going backwards from 100. We're going to be doing the exact same thing we've been doing the last few days, but instead of starting with 10, today we're going to be starting with 100, and we're going to count our way backwards to 10. Let's go ahead and take a look together. All right, so today we're going to be starting at the top of our paper, and we're going to start by counting our tens, but we're going to count by 10 out loud. So we're going to say 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So in this box, I'm going to write my number 100. I want you to go ahead and try and write your number 100 without any help from Mrs. Parham first. Okay, I'm about to write my number 100, so finish yours up. Let's see if you did it right. So 1, a 0, and another 0 for our number 100. Good. Now let's count how many 10 frames we have. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That means we have 10 tens. Let's look at the next one together. We're going to start by counting by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. They already wrote our number 90 for us. Now let's count how many tens we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have 9 tens. So on this box, we're going to write our number 9 because we have 9 tens. You guys can go ahead and finish the rest of that paper. Today, you're going to be finishing up your phonics work from this week. So some of you are working with your short U sound that says umbrella. Others of you are working with sneaky E, and sneaky E's coming in. He's silent, but he's going to steal that vowel sound and make the vowel say its long vowel sound. And then the rest of you are working on CK digraph, which says K together. You guys have done a great job with your phonics this week. Keep up the good work. The more you learn in your phonics, the better reader you'll become. Keep going. For reading today, if you haven't already read this passage, go ahead and read it 3 times and answer the questions. Or if you have already done this one, you can read something around your house and have a free reading day. On the back today, we're going to be working with words that rhyme. And remember, when a word rhymes, we just change the first sound and the ending sounds stay the same. So we're going to do our first box together so that you have a little extra help, and then you'll do the last 3 boxes on your own. So our first box today, we have the word b-ug, b-ug, b-ug. What word is that? It's the word bug. Good job. I'm going to write it on my whiteboard for us. So when we're looking for words that rhyme, we're just changing the first letter. And we're going to keep the last letters the same. So we have ug. So we need something to go in front of our ug sound. They gave us a picture already on your paper. What's that picture a picture of? It's a picture of a mug. What sound is missing from my word mug? The sound, and the letter M says So you can go ahead and write our word mug because mug rhymes with bug. What other sound could we put here? I want you to see if you can come up with something else that we could put there that would end with an ug sound so that it rhymes with bug, mug. I think about a name for the carpet on the floor if it's just a small one. We oftentimes call it our rug. Good job. What sound is missing from the word rug? Good. And that we know is our letter R. So you can write our word rug. So we have bug, mug, rug. We need one more word. What's another word we could put there? Maybe something when we pull really hard, we tug. Good. Tug. Tug. What sound is missing from the beginning of our word? Right? And our letter T says tug. So now you can write our word tug as well. So we came up with bug, mug, rug, tug. All of those words rhyme. Great job. You're going to be rhyming the rest of the words on your paper. So good luck with your rhyming. I know this is sometimes tricky, but you're working really hard and I'm really proud of you. Keep up the good work. For your writing work today, I want you to do something kind of silly. You're not actually going to write anything today, which sounds silly since it's writing. But what I want you to do for writing today is I want you to try to persuade your mom to let you have a piece of candy. Now, she might say no, and that's okay. But I want you to try to persuade her to let you have a piece of candy. Now, in persuasive writing, or when you're trying to persuade somebody to do something, you don't just go, please, can I have a piece of candy? Please, please, please. That's not persuading anyone. When you're trying to persuade someone, you need to give them reasons. For instance, you could say, Mom, can I please have a piece of candy because I finished all of my work this week in my binder. I want you to see if you can come up with other reasons that mom or dad might want to give you a piece of candy. Now remember, they don't have to give you a piece of candy, so they could still say no. But if you do a good job of persuading them, they might just say yes. Great job this week. We'll see you on Monday. Can't wait to see you. Bye.